Okay, so let's get started. One of the things that I want to touch on here, and it's a concept that I love from Miguel Ruiz, who wrote The Mastery of Self. When you're revisiting your day, reviewing this past month, your goals, your expectations for yourself personally and professionally, do you spend most of your day as an ally, like you got your own back, you're moving towards something in the future? Or are you allowing your negative thoughts to suck your positive energy away and going towards what you really want? He calls it parasites. So he's like, you either are a parasite or an ally. You either have your own back or you're eating yourself alive. Which one are you? I wanted you seriously to take a moment and really think about, are you genuinely aligned with the vision of success that you have for yourself and your business? This reflection is so important to identify, you know what? I kind of got sidetracked. I kind of let myself get pulled back into fear or dealing with putting out fires and forgetting about what my intention was for this month, this year, this quarter, this timeline that I set for myself. And that could be in many ways because, and this is normal, by the way, I'm gonna raise my hand to this. It's the fact that even in that uncomfortable place, it's scarier to you to break free of that. When you're aware of that, you can ask yourself, do I have my back? Or am I stopping myself from growing? Am I my ally or am I a parasite? Am I eating myself alive? Am I going to allow myself to continue in the trajectory that I'm on right now of not putting energy into where I want to go forward, of letting myself get sidetracked into the fires that I have to put out? Or do I want to make sure I hone in a part of my day, a part of my business, to making sure that we're on a trajectory that we need to go? So exciting. This is so exciting. So please take a moment and ask yourself, is the expectation that I have for myself and my goals and how I'm setting my boundaries and really paying attention to my triggers, is that serving me right now to move me towards a specific goal in the future? Or is it allowing me to hold myself back? Am I being my ally or am I acting more like a parasite? This is super key. So take a moment and pause, jot down where you are right now in this area, your boundaries, your triggers, your fears, the expectations that you had for yourself, the expectations that you feel you need to put in line again. And then in the next area, you're going to write your action steps. And every morning and every night, I want you to assess yourself. Are you reaching it? Are you talking to who you need to talk to? Are you developing the skills that you need to develop? Is your profession or your organization working in the way that you want it to work? Is your team working towards the goals that you have set or expectations you had for this particular timeline? Okay, so just take a moment, pause the video and reflect. And if not, it's okay. This is a time that you can at least pick one thing that you want to realign and do different. All right, you got this. You got this. We're doing good. All right, the next area